Hello friends, welcome to Physics Life channel. Today we are going to study the bipolar junction transistor. Here we know that the transistor in which we have three terminal devices: emitter, base, collector, in which the width of collector is greater than emitter, which is greater than base. So the base width is very small. Okay, the collector width is more than the emitter and base. Okay, we have two type of transistors, that is NPN and PNP. So that is like a sandwiching the types, that is N types and P types. So N types means NPN and P types, that is PNP. We know the representation of transistors like this. In NPN, the emitter current which flows from inward to outward, and PNP in which emitter current which flows from outward to inward. Okay, we should know about the junctions in transistor. We have two junctions, that is emitter base junction and collector base junction. Here also emitter base junction and collector base junction. Okay, we have different types of method in which the emitter base junction is forward biased and collector base junction is reverse biased, in which this configuration, this type of biasing which is used in amplifier. Emitter base junction is forward biased, collector base junction is also forward biased. This type of biasing in saturation region which is used in closed switch. Emitter base junction is reverse biased, collector base junction is reverse biased, that is two junctions are reverse biasing which is in the region of cutoff and it is used in open switch. Emitter base junction is reverse biased, collector base junction is forward biased, which is actually it is not using, and it is in the region of inverted. In the transistor section, we should know about the two basic equations, that is I is equal to IB plus IC, that is emitter current, that is the sum of base current plus collector current, and in collector current IC is equal to alpha E plus ICO. Alpha is the fraction of electron collected by collector and ICO is the leakage current. These equations are derived from the fact that I entering that is equal to I leaving. So we should remember these two equations. I is equal to IB plus IC, IC is equal to alpha E plus ICO. We have three configurations, that is common base, common emitter, common collector. Common base, in which base is common to both output and input. Common emitter, that is emitter is common to both output and input. Common collector is common to both output and input. Consider the common base configuration, in which this is base is common to input and output. Okay, here we know the basic equation, that is I is equal to IB plus IC. Here also we know the another equation, that is IC is equal to alpha E plus ICO. ICO can be neglected, it is very small, that is leakage current. So from that we know that alpha is equal to IC by IE. This is the gain factor in common base configuration. It is we should remember that is alpha is equal to IC by IE, and we know that the equation IE is equal to IB plus IC. Here IB is equal to IE minus IC. So here IC we can substitute, that is alpha E. So from that IB is equal to IE into 1 minus alpha. We should also remember this equation, that is base current, that is IE into 1 minus alpha. Okay. In emitter configuration, the emitter is common to input and output. Here also we using the basic equation, that is IE is equal to IC plus IB, IC is equal to alpha E plus ICO. Okay, here we know that IE is equal to IC plus IB. So we substitute this equation in second. So we get that IC is equal to alpha into IC plus IB plus ICU. So we can take IC to the one side. So we get IC into 1 minus alpha, that's equal to alpha IB plus ICU. So IC is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha IB plus 1 by 1 minus alpha ICU. We can substitute alpha by 1 minus alpha as beta and 1 by 1 minus alpha as beta plus 1. So beta IB plus beta plus 1 ICU. Okay. So how we substitute this in beta and beta plus 1? That is, beta is IC by IB. That is the gain factor in common emitter configuration. We should remember this equation. The gain factors is very important. So we should remember three equations in common base, common collector, common emitter configurations. So we now also remember this equation, beta is equal to IC by IB. So from that, beta plus 1, that is 1 by 1 minus alpha, and beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Okay. Next we are going to study the common collector configuration, in which the collector which is common to input and output. Here also we using the basic equation I is equal to IB plus IC, IC is equal to alpha IE plus ICU. From these procedures we should know that this basic equation, which is very important. Okay, here we know the here we substitute IC in this first equation as alpha E plus ICO and take IE common side, and IE is equal to IB by 1 minus alpha plus ICO by 1 minus alpha. 1 by 1 minus alpha is gamma plus ICO into gamma. That is, here gamma is the gain factor of common collector configuration, that is IE by IB. That is output current divided by input current. That is the gain factor. That is 1 by 1 minus alpha. That is represented by gamma. 1 by 1 minus alpha we already studied, that is beta plus 1. How we get these relations? Okay. How we get the relation between the gain factors? Here we can understand how we get the relation between the gain factors. We should remember once again the equations, that is alpha is equal to IC by IE, beta is equal to IC by IB, gamma is equal to IE by IB. So we studied already, that is alpha by 1 minus alpha is beta. How it is? That is alpha is equal to IC by IE and 1 minus alpha, that is 1 minus IC by IE. And we know that it is cross multiplying and cancelling the same denominator, and we get that IC by IE minus IC. IE minus IC, we know the basic equation, that is IE is equal to IB plus IC. That is the emitter current, which is the sum of base and collector current. So that is IC by IB. That is, we know that is beta. So alpha by 1 minus alpha, that is beta. So next, that is 1 by 1 minus alpha, that is 1 by 1 minus IC by IE. So after cross multiplying we get that IE by IE minus IC, that is IE by IB, that is gamma, that is a gain factor in common collector. So we should remember the relation, also this gain factors and the basic equation. IE is equal to IB plus IC and IC is equal to alpha E plus ICU. So thank you friends for watching.